DJI Goggles 3 Live View Sharing. DJI Goggles 3 can share a flight live view via 3 different methods. Operate live view sharing prior to taking off, or when the aircraft is braking or hovering, to avoid interfering with the pilot's operation. Wired connection with mobile device. It is recommended to use a suitable data cable or the USB-C OTG cable provided to connect the mobile device to the USB-C port on the goggles. Launch DJI Fly app and tap Go Fly in the lower right corner of the screen to enter the live view. Wireless connection with mobile device. Use the 5D button or the AR cursor to enter the shortcut menu. Select Share Live View to mobile device via Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your mobile device, and enable the location feature on your phone. Launch the DJI Fly app, and a new device available for Wi-Fi connection will appear in a box on the homepage. Tap the box and select the goggles to be connected. When connecting DJI Fly to the goggles for the first time, press and hold the power button on the goggles for 2 seconds when the prompt appears. The battery level LEDs blink from inside to out and then turn solid. DJI Fly will prompt the user to connect to the goggles if needed. Select Join. Tap Watch Live View to access the live view from the goggles. The goggles only support connecting to one mobile device for sharing the live view, either in wireless or wired connection. In wireless connection mode, disconnect the goggles from the current connected mobile device before connecting the goggles to another new mobile device for live view sharing. Broadcasting to other goggles. Broadcasting mode is available for sharing the live view to other goggles if there are other DJI Goggles 3 devices nearby. For the pilot, open DJI Goggles 3 transmission menu and enter the pilot's submenu. Turn on broadcasting mode and the device number will be displayed. On the other DJI Goggles 3 devices, enter the goggles menu, select transmission, and enter the audience submenu. If any nearby DJI Goggles 3 turns on the broadcasting mode, the device and its signal strength can be viewed in the audience submenu. Select the device number to access the live view. Switch to the pilot submenu to exit the shared live view. Thank you for watching.